If you're using Canva to edit photos, it's got a fantastic feature. You can actually retouch faces in Canva, and I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it. So let's get into it. So we've got a portrait here, and what we want to do is go over to the actual image and we want to select it. Okay, once you've selected it, you will have some additional options. At the top, you can see that there is an edit image. You'll find this on the top left. Once you tap on this, you can go ahead and you can scroll down and you'll look for effects. If you go to the right of effects, there'll be a tiny little arrow which will allow you to see more effects. You can see over here that there is a face retouch. Now, just remember, this is still being worked on. So what you need to do is just adjust the intensity of the retouch effect. So as you can see over here, I've got the dial, and you can see on the image the changes being made in real time. So you're going to click down and you're going to go over all the way to the right. You can see that there is a slight change. So what you can do now is, if you would like, you can remove the effect, or you can just click away and those changes will now be saved. You can go ahead and you can duplicate the image, and you can actually see a comparison of the two standing next to each other. If this was helpful, drop us a like, share it with a friend. We'll see you next time. Peace.